Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 2.4% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.7% during the session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The euro dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The pound dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie fall 0.5% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Oil prices settled 1% lower after US crude inventories rose unexpectedly and as worries eased slightly that a wider Middle East conflict could threaten supplies from one of the world's major regions for crude production. US consumer prices rose moderately in July, and the annual increase in inflation slowed to below 3% for the first time in nearly 3.5 years, opening the door wider for the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates next month. Crypto.com has become the first cryptocurrency platform to secure an exclusive partnership with the UEFA Champions League. The multi-year partnership, which will see the centralized crypto exchange become an official global sponsor of the UEFA Champions League, was announced on August the 14th.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US industrial production will be released at 13:15 GMT. Japan's industrial production at 4:30 GMT, Australia's employment change at 1:30 GMT. The UK's industrial production will be released at 6 GMT, the US retail sales at 12:30 GMT, Japan's capacity utilisation at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.